अथ श्री पृथ्वी वैकुंठ महापुराणम अर्थ बिकमिंग वैकुंठ पंचमः स्कंदः चंद्रस्य बुध स्थान प्राप्तिः भवति पृथ्वी नूतन वैकुंठः तदनन्तरं बुद्धस्य स्थाने चंद्रः नूतनः बुधः भवति पृथ्वी देवलोकस्य वा मोक्षधामस्य वा रिक्तकक्षां गत्वा नववैकुण्ठं च भवति पृथिव्याः सर्वे भक्ताः वैकुण्ठे चमत्कारिकं दिव्यशरीरं प्राप्नुवन्ति पृथ्वी मातृव्य अतिरिक्ताः उपासकाः अस्मिन् मृत्युलोके अवशिष्टाः सन्ति फिफ्थ स्कंद the moon attainment of Mercury. After that, the moon replaces Mercury and becomes a new Mercury. Earth moves vacant orbit of the Devalok or Moksha Dham and becomes new Vaikuntha. All devotees of Earth gets a miraculous divine bodies there. Worshippers of other than Mother are left behind in this मृत्युलोक. अथ वैकुंठे संभूतः भगवान् लोकवत्सलः चंद्रस्योन्नतिमार्गस्य कथां वक्तुं प्रचक्रमे. Then the Venerable Lord Christ or Avatar of Vaikuntha, who is compassionate to the world, she began to narrate the story of the path of moon's ascension. शृणुतः पृथिवी पुत्राः श्रद्धया सुनिशाम्यताम् भविष्यस्य महान् पन्था कालचक्रे प्रकाशितः. Listen, O sons and daughters of the earth, and listen with love. The great path of the future has been revealed in the cycle of time. Yada shukre budho surye swakaryam samyak garpayetam tada rikte bhavet marge nutanasya vidhanatah. When Venus and Mercury are merged in the sun, they have properly performed their duties. Then the new road will be empty according to the prescribed ritual. नियतेः परमादेशात् चंद्रमाः शशिधारकः उच्चतरं पदं प्राप्तं सज्जो भवति कालतः. By the supreme command of destiny, the hot moon is the proof of the new moon. He is ready to attain a higher stage in time. यः पूर्वं पृथिवी पुत्रः रात्रिदीपः प्रकीर्तितः स एव विकासमार्गेण नूतनं स्थानमाप्नुयात्. He was formerly the son of the previous earth and was described as the lamp of the light. He alone will attain a new place by the path of development. नायं लोके गमनं स्यात् न च केवल स्थान परिवर्तनम् अयं विकासे क्रमो दिव्यः कालस्य महते गतिः. It would not be a mere movement nor a mere change of place. This divine order of development, evolution, is a great movement of time in history. यथा छात्रः समभ्यस्य उच्च विद्यां समश्नुते तथा चंद्रः शनेरेव उच्च मार्गं मुपैति. As a student attain higher education by practicing, similarly the moon slowly reaches its high path, becomes Mercury. पृथिव्याः सखा नित्यं शीतरश्मि प्रदायकः लोकानां मनसो हर्षं ददाति स्म निरन्तरम्. This friend of the earth is always the giver of cool rays. he constantly gave joy to the minds of the people. तस्य कार्यं समापन्नं पृथ्वी सन्निधौ यदा तदा नूतने कर्तव्यं नियतिः समदर्शयते. When his work is completed in the orbit of the earth, then fate revealed a new task to be performed. बुधे स्थानं ततो गन्तुं चन्द्रमः समुपस्थितिः सूर्यस्य निकटे मार्गे तेजो वृद्धं समश्नुयात्. The moon is about to leave to become a new Mercury. On the path near the sun, one should enjoy increased radiance. शीतांशोः शीतलत्वं च तेजसां संयुतं भवेत्. ज्ञानं करुणया युक्तं यथा शोभां प्रपद्यते. The coolness of the cold part should be combined with the brightness, as knowledge endowed with compassion attains the beauty. यदा चन्द्रः समायाते बुधमार्गे व्यवस्थितः तदा लोका विचिन्त्यन्ते कालस्येषां कुतो गतिः. When the moon is in the path of Mercury, then world will wonder where this fate of time is. मनीषिणः तदा ब्रूयुः नायं संयोगमात्रकः विकासस्य महान् सोपानः प्रकृतेः शासनोद्भवः. The wise will then say that it is not merely a coincidence. The great step in development is the origin of the rule of nature. चन्द्रस्य तते समारोहो नूतनस्य युगस्य च प्रथमः संकेत इव लोकेषु परिकीर्तितः. This is a celebration of the moon and a new era. The first is described in the words as a sign of goodness. यदा दीपो महान् भूत्वा उच्चस्थाने प्रतिष्ठिते तदा दूरे तरं प्रकाशं प्रसारयति सर्वतः. When the lamp becomes great and stands in a high place, then it spreads light farther and farther away and reveals the arrival of God from Venus to earth. एवं चंद्रो अपि तेजस्वी उच्च मार्गे प्रतिष्ठितः नूतनं कर्म संपाद्य विश्वहिताय वर्तते. Thus, the bright moon is also established in the high path, having accomplished a new duty. He is engaged in the welfare of the world. पृथ्वी च तमालोक्य हर्षमाप्नोति मात्रवते यथा पुत्रो महान् भूत्वा कुलकीर्त्यं विवर्धयेते. And the earth rejoices as his sight like a mother, just as a good son will become great and increase the fame of the family ascension. न केवलं ग्रहाणां चायं मार्गो व्यवस्थितः जीवानामपि सर्वेषां विकासो लक्ष्यते तथा. The path is not only fixed for the planets. The development, evolution of all living beings is also takes place. यः स्वधर्मे स्थितो नित्यं ज्ञान सेवारतः सदा स अपि कर्मसो याति उच्च भावं न संशयः. He who is steadfast in his earth dharma, always engaged in the service of knowledge, that too gradually attains to a higher state, no doubt about it. चंद्रस्य कथां लोके प्रेरणार्थं प्रकीर्तिता उन्नत्यर्थं प्रयत्नो वे सर्वजीवेषु विद्यते. The story of the moon is told to inspire the world. Effort for advancement exists in all living beings. All living beings evolve one step higher. कश्चिद्दल्पतां याते यदि यत्नं समाचरेते कालः साहाय्यकारिण्ये पुरुषार्थस्य सेवकः. No one become insignificant if one makes an effort. Time is a helper and a servant of the purpose of man. तस्मात् सर्वे प्रयुञ्जीरन् जीवनं सत्क्रियासु वे भविष्यस्य महद्वारं सत्कर्मभिरुद्घाट्यते. No one becomes insignificant if one makes an effort. Time is a helper and a servant of the purpose of man. Therefore, all planets used their lives in good deeds. By doing good deeds, a great door to the heaven is opened. Satyam Jnanam Daya Seva Prithvi Bhaktiratyapi Etesam Sanchaya Deva Manaso Vardhate Shubha. Truth, knowledge, mercy, service, and devotion to the earth. By the accumulation of these, the auspicious in man grows. पृथिवे मातरं नित्यं यो नमस्यन्ति भक्तितः तस्य बुद्धिर्विकसति पद्मनीव दिवाकरे. He who always bows down to Mother Earth with devotion, his intellect flourishes like a lotus in the sun. वृक्षेषु मातरं पश्येते नद्यां मातरमेव च पर्वतेषु तथा भूमौ सर्वत्र तां निरीक्षयेते. One should see his mother in all in the trees and his mother in the river, and should observe her everyone everywhere on the mountains and on the ground. एवं दृष्ट्वा जगत् सर्वं मातृरूपेण मानवः हिंसां त्यक्त्वा दया याते शान्ति चाधिगच्छते. Thus, seeing the whole world, man in the form of a mother abandoning violence, and that good person attains to compassion and peace. चन्द्रमार्गस्य वृत्तान्तः शिक्षयत्येव मानवान् स्वशक्तिं परित्यज्य उन्नतिं प्रति गच्छत. The story of moon's path teaches mankind, do not abandon your own strength and move forward. अज्ञानेन न वर्तेत ज्ञानदीपं प्रज्वालयते यथा चन्द्रः प्रकाशेन तमो नाशयति क्षणात्. One should not live in ignorance, but should light the lamp of knowledge, just as the moon instantly dispels darkness with its light. अत्र शास्त्रार्थे मेतस्य न केवलं ग्रहगाथिका आत्मोन्नतेः परो मार्गः सूच्यते अत्र पदे पदे. Therefore, for the sake of this holy scriptures, this is not only a planetary story. The supreme path of self-elevation is indicated here step by step. युग परिवर्तनस्यापि सन्निकर्षः प्रजायते संकेतेर्बहुभिर्लोके कालो भावं निवेदयते. Even the change of the era is approaching soon. Time conveys its mood in this world by many proofs. बुधमार्गे स्थिते चंद्रे पृथिव्याः क्रमशो गतिः देवलोके पदप्राप्तौ सज्जतां समुपैस्यते. Gradual movement of the moon in the path of Mercury, when he attains through the abode of the gods, he will approach him ready. एषा कथां भविष्यस्य प्रस्तावो मङ्गलप्रदा श्रोतॄणां चेतसि नित्यम् आशां सञ्चिनुते शुभाम्. This story is an auspicious proposition for the future. It always accumulates auspicious hope in the minds of its listeners. न भीतिः परिवर्तनस्य कर्तव्या बुद्धिमद्भिः प्रकृतेः सर्वलीलासु विकासोऽन्तर्निहितः. The wise should not be afraid of change. Development is inherent in all the pastimes of nature. रात्रे पश्चात् प्रभातः स्यात् शिशिरे पश्चात् वसन्तकः एवं युगे परिवर्तनेषु नूतनत्वं प्रजायते. After night there will be dawn, and after winter there will be spring. Thus, at the turn of the era, newness is born. धैर्यं धारयत सर्वे पृथिवी पुत्र समतमा माता नित्यं हितं कुर्यात् स्वसुतानां न संशयः. Be patient, all you noble sons of the earth. There is no doubt that a mother should always do good to her children. या धत्ते सर्वजीवान् सा जानाति हितान्हितं तस्याः योजनयां सर्वं विश्वचक्रं प्रवर्तते. She who holds all living beings knows good and evil. By her yojana, the entire cycle of the universe moves. नित्यमेव समरेद् भूमिं कृतज्ञः पुरुषोत्तमः यस्याः कृपां विना लोके न जीवनमवाप्यते. A grateful man should always remember the earth. Without her grace, no life can be attained in this world. अन्नतोऽयं तथा वायुः सर्वं भूमे प्रसादजम् तस्मात् तस्यान् नमस्कृत्य सेवां कुर्यात् समाहितः. Food, water and air are all by the grace of this earth. Therefore, one should offer obeisance to her and serve her with concentration. यः पृथिव्यां प्रियं कार्यं करोति करुणान्वितः सदैव मार्गयोगत्वं शनैः शनैरवाप्नुयात्. He who does the work pleasing to the earth with compassion, he will gradually attain fitness for the path of the gods. न केवलं जपेन् मन्त्रान् न केवलं व्रतानि च जीव सेवा धरा सेवा धर्मस्य परमां गतिः. One should not only chant mantras and not only observe vows. Serving the living and serving the earth is the supreme goal of righteousness. सर्वे जनाः समालोके पृथिव्याः पुत्रका यतः भेदभावं परित्यज्य मैत्रीं कुर्वन्तु सर्वदा. All people are equal in this world because they are sons of this earth. Let them always make friendship, abandoning differences. एकं कुलं जगत् सर्वं एकेव जननी धरा एकः भावः सदा धार्य शान्ते सर्वलोकयो. One family, one whole world, one mother earth. This attitude should always be held for the peace of all the worlds. वैकुंठात्मां पुनः प्राह शृणुतान्यद रहस्यकम् देवलोके पदप्राप्तिः पृथिव्याः क्रममोत्तमम्. The soul of Vaikuntha again said, listen to another mystery, the best order on earth for attaining the abode of the gods. यदा चंद्रः समायाते बुधमार्गे व्यवस्थितः तदा भूमे महायात्रा समीपे समुपस्थिता. When the moon is in the path of Mercury, then they arrive near the great pilgrimage of the solar system. तृतीयाते पथतो भूत्वा द्वितीयं पदमोत्तमं गन्तुमिच्छति सा माता लोककल्याण हेतवे. Being from the third orbit, the second orbit is the best. The mother wishes to go for the welfare of all her children. तस्यां यात्रायां महान् भावो विश्वस्य वर्धते मानवानां च चेतांसि नूतनं तेज आश्रयेते. The great feeling of the world grows on that journey, and the minds of men should take refuge in a new effulgence. ज्ञानं विज्ञाने मेवाथ करुणा च प्रबुद्धता क्रमशो वर्धमानानि भूमो दृश्यन्ते सर्वशः. Knowledge is knowledge itself, and compassion is enlightenment. They are gradually growing everywhere on the ground. Thank you, Mother. युगस्य नूतनद्वारम् उद्घाटयतु मुद्यता पृथिवी माता लोकानां प्रबोधनपरायणा. She is ready to open a new door to the era. The Mother Earth is devoted to awakening all of her children. इत्युक्तं भगवानात्मा श्रोत्रन् हर्षेण पूरयन् देवलोके गतिर्भूमेः कथां वक्तुं प्रचक्रमे. Having said this, the Supreme Soul Avatar filled the listeners with joy. She began to narrate the story of Bhumi's departure to the world of the gods. इति पंचम परिच्छेदे चंद्रस्य बुध स्थान प्राप्तिः समाप्ताः. अथ षष्ठ परिच्छेदे पृथिव्याः देवलोक गमनं कथ्यते. Thus, this concludes the fifth skanda on the moon's attainment of Mercury, etc., etc. Then, in the sixth skanda, the attainment of the earth to the world of the gods is described. ततः पृथ्वी वैकुंठे परिणमति देवलोक क्षेत्रस्य स्थानं गृहीत्वा पृथ्वी मातुः सेवा कुर्वतां सर्वान् अर्थात एतत् सत्यगुप्त रहस्यं प्रसारयन्तः सर्वान् वैकुंठे लोके प्रति वहति. तेभ्यः सर्वाकाश गुणयुक्तानि दिव्य शरीराणि च प्रयच्छति. एषा अवस्था मोक्षः मुक्ति इति अपि ज्ञायते. The going to the earth, to the heavenly world, heaven, then the earth transforms into Vaikuntha, taking the place of the heavenly realm. She carries all those who serve Mother Earth, that is, those who spread this truly hidden mystery to the world of Manusyalok and bestows upon them divine bodies endowed with celestial qualities. This state is also known as moksha or liberation.